Good day, ma'am and sir. Have a great day. My name is Glyza Magbanwa, 32 years of age. I was born in April 18, 1992. I am a single mother of four, two boys and two jolly girls. I have six siblings. I am the fifth one. My educational attainment is I am a college undergraduate, top diploma in midwifery. My work experience, I have work experience in the Philippines as a nanny for more than 3 years. The second one is in Malaysia for almost 2 years, and here in Hong Kong for almost 7 months. My previous employer in the Philippines, I'm serving four members of the family, including two boys ages 3 and 6 years old. My main duty there is to taking care of the two boys, preparing their meals, helping them to take shower, helping their home to do their homework, helping their uniform, and to go in the playground to play. And also I do the household chores like cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, and preparing the meals of all family. And also I do marketing. And my second work experience is in Malaysia. My main duty there is to taking care Ama. She is 89 years old. I help her to take shower, to change her diaper, and to prepare her meals from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I also cleaning the house, do laundry, ironing, tidying the clothes of the three children of my mom and sir. And my last work experience is here in Hong Kong. I'm serving four members of the family, including the two children, ages 6 and 8 years old. My main duty there is to taking care of the two boys. I'm the one who prepared their uniform, their food, and helping the 6 years old boy to take a shower and to help him to do his homework. And I go with them to their respective activities. I also do household chores like cleaning, ironing, tidying, preparing mom food to bring in his office. I am a I am a trustworthy person, diligent, and if I have given a chance to be a part of your family, I promise to do uh, my work with love because I love kids so much. And to my future employee, hope you're giving me a chance to work to your family. I promise to take care of your family and treat them as my own. Thank you. Have a good day and God bless, sir and mom.